everyone, let's learn about some keyboard shortcuts today. So first shortcut is a very basic one. So whenever we have to do a copy of a selection, then we need to perform Ctrl C. Now if we want to paste the selection which was previously copied, we have to do a Ctrl V. If we want to cut a particular selection, we have to perform Ctrl X. To select the entire text on the current window, we have to perform Ctrl A. To delete a selected text, we have to do Ctrl D. To undo any action, we have to do Ctrl Z. To redo any action, we have to do Ctrl Y. To find a string or a text on a page, you have to do Ctrl F. To switch between different apps, you need to do Alt plus Tab. Now when you do an Alt Tab, if you want to navigate from left to right or from right to left, then you have to do Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab and left and right arrows. To maximize a window, we do F11 or Windows plus up arrow. To lock your system, do a Windows L. If you want to clear the cache or the browsing data, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. If you want to do a print screen of the current window, then press Print Screen or Function plus Print Screen. To rename a file or a folder on your system directory, you need to do F2. To refresh a web page, press F5. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share and do consider subscribing.